Hi there, quick introduction video for a new property we've bought. So this is a property bought using our handhold service. The reference is 5MP. So for those of you who know, you'll be able to type in 5MP and you'll be able to watch this video or property progress all the way through on YouTube. For those who don't know, this is a property that we've bought using our handhold service. So for the landlords.com, we're a letting agent, but we're a little bit different. We're famous for two things. One is creating a buy-to-let business plan for our landlords. So you'll come in and we'll work together to set some objectives, some targets, and work towards them. And that's something you can find out more about on our website. And the other thing we're famous for is working hand in hand with our landlords. We actually call the service handhold to find, fix and rent a property. So this property that I'm going to hand over in a moment to Jamie. Jamie has just sent me the video. He sends it over just by WhatsApp. So every time we've got buyers in many different locations throughout the UK, and every time they buy a property, the first thing they do is go get the keys, check on the property, make sure it's secure, that kind of things, and they'll do a video and they send it over to various people, but I get a copy of it. And I'll always do a little introduction video and then post it on YouTube. So it just shows you the kind of properties that we buy for ourselves and for our clients. So this is one of those videos. It's our most requested type of video. People love to see them. People who are either interested in doing what we're doing, interested in buy-to-let, and they want to find out more. A picture speaks 1,000 words, as they say, so the video is really, really interesting. But equally, if you're just watching this thinking, what on earth is this video coming up next, then go back to our website, forthelandlords.com, and you'll find out a bit more about us and how we do things, and you'll kind of get to see what that video that I'm posting up here is about. If you want to find out more about what we do as a business, and maybe become one of our clients, or at least investigate that possibility, go onto our website, go to that little top burger, little 3 lines at the top, click on that, and you'll all sorts of information on the website. But the main one, if you're interested, is click on book a discovery call, and on the discovery call you can get any of your questions answered, and we'll run through in detail the kind of properties like that's coming up next, and what we do and how we do it, and anything else that you got a question on. So bye for now, hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to hand over to Jamie, and the property reference number, in case I haven't mentioned it, is 5MP. Bye for now. Property code reference 5MP in Stoke-on-Trent. Purchase price 64,700. When finished, it'll rent out between 5 and 550. Brought using our handhold service. Let me give you a tour and show you what we're going to do. On the outside of the house, we're going to be painting the cells, fitting a new front door. Just step into lounge number 1. We're going to do a full skim in here and the ceiling. Electrics are going to be updated, and obviously new carpet, flooring throughout. Lounge number 2, going to be taking out the fireplace, again giving the walls and ceilings a full skim. Step through into the kitchen. Electric's going to be updated. Going to have a new back door, a new fitted kitchen in here, fully skimmed as well, walls and ceilings again, a new light fitting. This bathroom is going to be taken out. We're going to create a lobby here where the boiler is going to go. We're going to take out a wall to open out this bathroom of a new fitted bathroom. Stairs are going to be stripped of wallpaper and re-skimmed. We go into the back bedroom. Wallpaper's coming off, walls and ceilings skimmed again, new internal door. Again, new light fitting. The back's going to be completely cleared and tidied. Remedial works to the roof, a new back gate. Front bedroom, wallpaper's coming off, going to be fully skimmed again, walls and ceilings. New PVC vent, tidy up that chimney breast.